Pursuing Dreams with Craftsmanship, the construction chronicles of the Kenyan Luban workshop. The beauty of harmony lies in embracing differences. In September 2018, Chinese President Xi Jinping proposed at the Beijing Summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation to establish 10 Luban workshops in Africa as one of China's important commitments to support capacity building in African countries. With the support of the Tianjin Municipal Education Commission and the Kenyan Ministry of Education, in August 2019, Tianjin City Vocational College and Machakos University in Kenya reached a consensus on the construction of the Luban workshop at the Huawei Technologies Tianjin office. The construction was implemented according to the 5-in-place standard for Luban workshops after just 5 months of negotiation, mutual visits, training, and construction. On December 14, 2019, Kenya's National Day of Diplomatic Relations with China, the first Luban workshop to offer a 4-year undergraduate program at a national higher education institution in Kenya, the Kenyan Luban workshop, was inaugurated. Joe Muchiruru, the then Kenyan Minister of Information, Communication, and Technology, personally visited the Luban workshop and expressed that the Luban workshop is playing an important role in implementing Kenya's Vision 2030 development blueprint. Kenyan people conveyed their appreciation to China for providing the advanced technology and services that Kenya needs. Over 40 media outlets reported on the event, stating that the Luban workshop provides a place to change the way African youth think and improve their practical abilities. Exchange and cooperation, mutual learning, and mutual recognition. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit in 2020, the Chinese and Kenyan teams of the Luban workshop supported each other, and the construction of the Luban workshop was further improved. The new program teaching standards for cloud computing and information security were approved by the Kenyan Ministry of Education and began enrolling students. During those tough times, online exchanges and remote meeting systems, email communication, teaching resources development, and digital learning platform construction ensured the innovative talent training and social services of the Luban workshop, documenting the exploratory footsteps of the Engineering Practice Innovation Project (EPIP) teaching mode. In August 2022, at the Cloud Computing Competition of the First World Vocational College Skills Competition, the Tianjin City Vocational College team competed virtually with 44 contestants from 11 countries and won a bronze medal. At the same time, the Kenyan Luban workshop received one of the first 25 operational plaques for Luban workshops nationwide. In 2023, teachers from Tianjin City Vocational College and Machakos University exchanged visits and had in-depth offline exchanges on EPIP experiences and insights. The online forum on model, theory, application, and promotion EPIP teaching model was held as scheduled. In 2024, teachers and students from Machakos University visited the Huawei Modern Industry College at Tianjin City Vocational College, achieving offline exchanges and learning between students from the two countries, spring flowers and autumn fruits, educating students and producing results. Today, 180 students at the Luban workshop have successfully obtained Huawei Enterprise Technology certification, giving birth to multiple student innovation projects. The first batch of 19 graduates have completed internships and found jobs. Students from the Luban workshop have consecutively participated in and won first prizes in 2 consecutive Huawei Global Competition finals. Multiple outstanding students have received ambassador scholarships, and multiple teachers have been recognized and received rewards. Machakos University has also welcomed many Chinese and foreign visitors, scholars, and learners, and the Luban workshop has received encouragement and support from many leaders. It has been widely reported by over 40 domestic and foreign media outlets such as Xinhua News Agency, Global Times, Kenyan newspaper, Phoenix News, and Tianjin Evening News. To support the development of Kenya's e-commerce economy, a new Luban workshop has been inaugurated at Meru University of Science and Technology. Facing the future, bridging China and the world. On the September 2024 Forum on China-Africa Cooperation Summit, President Xi emphasized the need for China and Africa to jointly advance the six modernizations. The Kenyan Luban Workshop will deepen friendship and cooperation between the Luban workshops of China and Kenya, embarking on a new journey of quality improvement and expansion in programs and talent training, and writing a new chapter of craftsmanship excellence and vocational education.